Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Benny and I'm on a journey of growing my natural hair. I share DIYs of how I've been growing my hair, and I also share DIYs of skincare, so please just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this powerful oil for hair growth, and the two wonderful ingredients we are using today: rosemary leaf and thyme leaf. So these two leaves has wonderful benefits for hair growth. So they help stimulate blood circulation to the scalp and also help to reduce hair loss. They have many other wonderful benefits for hair growth. So you can also use the dry leaves, but today I'm using fresh leaf for this. So I'll just transfer them into a pan. So I'll be using 1 cup of olive oil and 1 cup of sunflower oil. So you can use any oil of your choice. So these are the oils that I use: sunflower oil and olive oil, 1 cup each. So I'm going to leave it on a low heat. So I will let it sit on a low heat until it's changed color. Then it is ready. So this is how it looks after 30 minutes. You can see it has changed color and it's ready now. So I'm just going to let it cool off, then I'll strain out the oil. So guys, please, if you've been watching to this time and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And thank you all for always coming back to watch my video, like my video. Thank you all so much. So now yes, our oil, it's ready. So there is still some in the pan and I will strain that out later. So don't worry if some of the rosemary leaves is in the oil, because we are going to add fresh rosemary leaves to the oil. So these fresh rosemary leaves, I'm just going to put it inside the oil and let it stay. You can see the difference between the uncooked one and the cooked one. So our oil is ready. So this is how you're going to be using the oil, with the leaves inside. So you can also use it like that without putting the leaf inside. So it's anyhow you want it, you use it like that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you all. Bye.
For all the law is fulfilled in one word, even in this: thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. Galatians 5 verse 14.